The growing culture at Armacell is one of the big positives, as well as the management team that has come in and improving everyone, and also looking at all the other employees to develop them into growing careers, not just operators.
Trabajo en el departamento de calidad. Empecé como empacadora, pero aquí hay grandes oportunidades para la gente que quiere crecer.
I started out as a production driver. I worked my way into the shipping department, and now I'm a team lead in our logistics department. So I was in the United States Marine Corps, and here at Armacell, that makes me feel good because it makes me feel part of a team. Armacell actually puts together small teams to better service our customers for better product, better efficiency, and I just think that there's better camaraderie. And we bring all that information together to resolve the best practices for our customers and for the team itself.
Here at Armacell Yukon plant, we do a lot of cross training, so everybody gets to know everybody. It's not just necessarily your little teams you work with, and if you have to work with them later on, then obviously that makes things easier as well.
I love my job. El personal es increíble. Nunca se va a sentir solo. Siempre va a ser bienvenido como parte de nuestra familia desde el primer día, y para la gente que quiere crecer, siempre va a haber alguien que lo va a apoyar, que lo va a dirigir en la dirección que usted quiera ir.
Everybody's got to start somewhere. So I always tell people when they start, don't get stressed. In time, you'll get whatever you're missing. If you need to be faster, you'll get that. If you need to be better at getting them in the box, you'll get that. In time, everything will come. Just give us a chance. Let us show you what we can do, and then you can show us what you can do.
Everybody wants you to succeed. They support you. And it's just a great, great feeling to know that Armacell family has my back. I feel like I'll be here till I retire.